my friends, welcome back to Anita's diamond painting. Today I have a finish for you and a kit down. This is the little kitten who is looking for out to the birds, and she is so nice and shiny. It's 30 by 30 with 18 colors, and it was my weekend retreat for last weekend. It was easy to do, so now I will kit her down. I have the drills here. So let us see. The first one is 318, and I have them in these boxes with numbers, and in front of that number I have the drills, and these ones are round. So let us see, 318 is here, and I have two mixed colors in here, but I'm not, when it's the round, it doesn't, I don't give a care. I don't care if they are mixed, but my squares I am color matching because I'm using them on my cross stitch conversion, and I don't do that with the round. Oh, and these stickers are not that great. They won't come off in one piece, and there is residue left here. But I have, since I have done this, I have bought some new stickers that don't do this. So we need to give them a cleaning afterward. So this is 413, and there was not so many left, but it's a regular color. It's a color that's used a lot. Almost all of the sticky got off this one. And then we need 414. It's the next one. Also mixed colors in here, but I don't mind it. It was a fun little one to do. Almost all of it got off there, and now they are tilting. Next one is 453, and we are going to the next row here. Oh, there's also a few kinds in here, shades of color. but I keep my round if there should be one missing. If I ran out of color for a picture, because many of these this one color is or these painting with round is budget friendly. So if there is missing drills, it's not easy to get them again. So it's nice to have your spares. And they are only in 2 boxes, so that's okay. Also a few different shades in 758. And I am not using this kind of stickers anymore, not on my bottles. And now we need to have 776. I got too far here. I think no, that was 876 is here. And this one is a new bag because it's color. There's not these numbers from this. Yes, what it's called. These sets. There is no one who have the number 776. So I have used one of my old cards, and these numbers are from Rebecca at Mossest, and they are free to download. That was my first when I set up my boxes, and since that I have changed. I love these one with the tab when I have cut there, so it's easier to find. And then we have 8515. And it's a nice warm day again here in Denmark. But I have my fan blowing and then it's okay. Then we have 819. It is right here. Beautiful pink. That was in the background, this color. And next number is 900, and that is in the other box. So let me change boxes. I have the other one right here, where I have my other colors. And here is also some dividers that I am going to make for my resin drills before I get down my big painting. I will have done that. So this one I have not have in the round before, but I have the bag ready for it. So now I have this one. If I ran out of this color, I have tried a few times to run out with the round ones. So it's nice to have one to replace it. And when I have more than one shape, I can see which one is matching with the one I ran out of. So that's nice. And now I have gone through one here, 921, so we are going back here. And it is here, but it doesn't matter. So now we are in there. I hope you like to see my kitting down videos also. I love them. I love kitting down and kitting up and making my painting. So 951 going down there. That sticky residue, but I will show you what I do with that afterwards. Then the next one is 3371, a common color. But it's also a color we use a lot in cross-stitch conversions. That dark brown. And then we have 3721. Here. Oh no, no bag. Why I have it? Oh, it was on the wrong side of the card. It should be there. $26. Yeah. And down with that. And now we need 33. Yeah, and it's an empty bag. So now we have some of that color also, if we need it. And we have 3802. Now we need to go over here. And we have some of that. And down they go. And the last one is 59. And it is here. And down with that. Okay, so I am putting this away, and let's take the bottles. And I am finding I have this remove. Glue remove. All that sticky. So I am just putting some on here, and then it can sit a little bit. I have bought this on AliExpress because I don't know where to find it else. It's also one I have learned from a baker at Mossest to use this. And there is a lot in that bottle. It's some kind of an oil. And then I just use a cloth. And there it's off. I can take it off. So it's nice and ready for the next kit. I have put some dividers in here, just a piece of chipboard, but I think I need to use something thicker. Because it's easier when they are in a line than they are just all sitting. It's just wiping it off. The oil has get it to loosen. This one does not have so much. And then I am just wiping over afterward. Maybe I should put the rest in here so it's full. I have them right here. This is a box with 24 bottles. Also from Temu. I can't remember if this one is ready to pull. Yes, it was. So now the box is ready for another kit, and the painting is ready to. I use some black tape in this to put around, so there's not all that leftover glue. Can you see what I'm doing? Yes. And then it's ready to be either framed, or maybe I need to give it some glue to what it's called, some sealer, of course. And when I have put tape around it, I am cutting the extra piece off right up to the tip, so it's have a nice border. Also use a knife. It's easy with a scissor. And they are going in the garbage bin. Should we give it some seal also? I have this one, diamond painting sealer. I'm just shaking it. Oops. And it has this foam where the glue is coming out. And then I am just up and down and from side to side. And now this painting is sealed, and it just have to dry, and then it's ready to come in a frame. And you can see the sealer. So that was all for this time. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.